battle begins.
Welcome everyone. Today we're going to continue to look at a bug that appears to be happening in Nvidia's Vulkan driver. Today we're going to be using Dota 2 to look and see basically if we see the same thing that we experienced in Doom when trying to run the Vulkan renderer in Doom on Nvidia cards. If you want to know a little bit more of what I'm talking about, click on the channel, watch that video. It explains a little bit more of what we're analyzing today. So just to make sure it wasn't something specific to Doom, we're looking at Dota 2, a very popular game. It has a Vulkan renderer itself in beta, and that's what we're going to be looking at today on a GTX 1070, so a new Pascal architecture versus Maxwell last time as well, just to make sure it's not something specific to the Maxwell generation of cards. So let's jump right into it. It's going to be a quick video today. As you can see, I'm displaying again through the PresentMon tool what is being rendered by the GTX 1070 versus what is actually being displayed on the monitor, the actual frames per second you're seeing as you're playing. In red, we're seeing what the video card is rendering, and in blue, you're seeing what's actually being displayed. Huge discrepancy between the two. Again, just like in Doom, we're seeing this seemingly 60 frames per second cap, or a VSync cap, on the displayed frames per second, which is looking more and more like a bug in Nvidia's driver. Still looking into maybe it's something that the tool is misinterpreting, but it's definitely felt. You can definitely feel a sluggishness and the dropped frames, a little bit of micro stutter, if you will, as you're playing through these games. It's not nearly as evident in Dota 2 just because it's a slower pace, you kind of pan the camera around, so it's hard to feel, but it's definitely evident in Doom. And so if you look at these, really the performance of the red lines is where it should be, but what you're getting is the blue lines, which is just a terrible experience, to be honest. Last time we took a little section and dropped in and looked at a little time slice, but today I'm just going to show you really quick the raw data, and I've highlighted in blue. You can see where PresentMon is telling us there's dropped frames. So the frames highlighted in blue towards the left, those are actually dropped frames where nothing is being sent to your screen. They're still being rendered, the graphics card is still doing the work, but they're never actually ending up on your monitor. So that is what's causing all of this choppiness, this sluggish feeling when playing under Vulkan on Nvidia cards. So again, talked about this yesterday, Dota 2 has a DX11 render path, keep using that, it gives great performance. OpenGL 4.5 for Doom, keep using that, gives great performance. Still looking into this. Hopefully it's just a really easy bug that Nvidia can fix maybe in the next driver release. Got a couple other things I'm looking into right now. I'm going to be using, besides just Windows 10, I'm going to try and use maybe some different operating systems, see what we can find out as far as this bug goes. But I hope you liked the video. Again, check out the other video if you have questions of what I'm talking about. Like the video, let me know if you liked it in the comments, and we'll see you next time.